everyone. Welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Core Web Vitals issues in Google Search Console. Improving your Core Web Vitals can help provide a better user experience and may also improve your website's search performance. First, log in to your Google Search Console account and select your website. From the left-hand menu, click on Experience and then select Core Web Vitals. You'll see separate reports for mobile and desktop. Open the report to view the URLs that are marked as poor or need improvement. Click on one of the issues to see the affected pages. Google will identify the type of problem, such as largest contentful paint, first input delay or interaction to next paint, and cumulative layout shift. These metrics measure loading speed, responsiveness, and visual stability. To improve loading speed, optimize your images by compressing them and using modern formats like WebP. Remove unnecessary scripts, enable browser caching, and use a content delivery network if possible. Minifying your CSS and JavaScript files can also reduce page load times. If your website has layout shift issues, always define image and video dimensions so the browser knows how much space to reserve before the content loads. Avoid inserting ads, banners, or other elements above existing content after the page has started loading. For responsiveness, reduce heavy JavaScript execution, remove unused code, and improve your server response time. A fast hosting provider and optimized website theme can make a significant difference. After making the necessary improvements, test your pages using PageSpeed Insights or Lighthouse to confirm the issues have been resolved. Once you're satisfied with the results, return to Google Search Console and click Validate Fix. Google will begin reviewing your changes, and the validation process may take several days. Continue monitoring the Core Web Vitals report regularly to ensure your website maintains good performance as you publish new content and make updates.